Humanities Lesson 6, Monday, March 31st. Today's agenda is a do now on a new platform called Edpuzzle, where you're going to watch a video and answer questions. Then the glossary terms are going to go in your journal, and then you're going to do a news ELA article. For your do now video assignment, we're going to transition into the civil rights movement. We've had an overview on Reconstruction, which is what happened with African Americans after the northern and southern states had to learn how to work together again after the Civil War. So the Reconstruction made attempts to give all people the same rights, but it didn't go as smoothly as a lot of people wanted because a lot of people were in the way of that. So after a lot of different people had fought and people stood up to the majority, the country entered a new time, which is known as the Civil Rights Era. Your do now will be watching a video on Edpuzzle, answering questions and learning about an important case during the history of civil rights, which is Brown versus Board of Education. In order to get to that Edpuzzle, you're going to go to your Humanities classroom, click Classwork, Lesson 6, March 30th, Do Now Video Assignment. This is going to open up a new website. This is linked to our Google Classroom. So as soon as you watch the video and answer the questions, it links and it grades it into Google Classroom. You watch it. These are the different questions. And as you upload and hit done, I will get them all right here under grades. So make sure you do it. Take a minute to jot down your glossary words for this week. The National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, Brown versus Board of Education, mandated, unconstitutional, and the Civil Rights Act of 1964. For today's reading, we're going to sign into News ELA with your school email. Go to the Humanities class, click on the binder, and find the article entitled Organizations of the Civil Rights Movement. Play my video down here because a lot of you guys had questions on how do I gist, how do I underline, how do I highlight significant moments. It's all right there, and I show you how I see it on my end, and so how I grade and stuff. Once you're done gisting all the sections, you're going to complete the quiz on News ELA. How do I know I'm done? I've completed the Edpuzzle video do now assignment. I wrote down the glossary terms. I completed the News ELA article, which means I did the gists. I highlighted significant moments, and I did the quiz.